I'm just an old blue collar, 7 days a week trying to make $1. And I know life ain't even close to what it used to be. It gets harder every day when you're all alone trying to make a way, but you can't give up. No, you gotta stand up and flex some muscle. I call this shit a country hustle.
You call it country hustle, I call it just living. Cause busting ass for everything I have's a fucking given. I'm from Wisconsin, I feel it in my heartbeat. My whole bloodline's in a cemetery down the street. Fourth generation of some hard-hitting badass. The first one to be an iron worker, yeah, I'm proud of that. I'm always on the road, wanna stay but gotta go. Hustle never stops, man, I can feel it in my fucking soul. And yeah, it takes a toll, worn out like a boot sole. Living off a Red Bull, tuna fish and blue skull. So yeah, I gotta go, try and kill some mad goals. Cause it's the only way that I can climb up out this damn hole.
I'm just an old blue collar, 7 days a week trying to make $1. And I know life